When you go to Osaka, one worth visiting place is the Universal Studio. No need to go to Los Angeles para makita mo yung mga nagagandahang attractions dito dahil para ka na rin nasa Universal Studio LA. So look at that, guys, okay? You can see a beautiful shops here, beautiful rides, and many attractions that are movie-based attractions. So, andito na yan sa Japan, Universal Studio. So, try to visit this place, mga lods. Second, syempre, ang famous nilang Glyco billboard, which you can find it in Dotonbori. Ayan, yung kanilang model ng Glyco was a man na naka-raise yung dalawang hands niya na nakasmile and ngiting tagumpay po siya.